Example number 7. Beam subjected to a concentrated moment. So, ang example natin is a concentrated moment which is, say, clockwise. So, ang problem na ito ay gagamitan natin ng area moment method. Okay. So, kailangan muna natin unahin yung reactions. So, let's assume na ang dalawang reactions ay both upward. So, to solve for the reaction at A, we take moment at B. Applying the beam-oriented sign convention, moment left equals moment right. So, at point B, moment left is due to AY, which is upward, the moment is positive, AY times L. Then, due to the concentrated moment, clockwise concentrated moment, so itong clockwise concentrated moment na to is directed downward siya sa right side ng kanyang point of application and directed upward naman sa left side ng kanyang point of application. So, according to beam-oriented, if the moment is directed upward, positive, and if it is directed downward, negative. So, ang question is, sino ang pipiliin sa dalawa? Okay. So, since tayo ay nagtitake ng moment sa B, ang lagi nating pinipili dito is the far side, the moment, far side. So, kung ang reference ay B, then ang far side natin is ito. Okay. So, since directed upward yung far side of B, then the moment is positive. Okay. At para sa moment, no need na yung lever arm na kasi moment na nga siya. So, yan na yung ating moment left of B. Then, equal to the moment right of B, which is 0. So, that AY is negative M over L. So, since the result is negative, so meaning, yung assumption natin na upward is wrong. So, ang tama pala, the reaction AY is M over L and it is directed downward. So, i-correct na natin yung maling direction. So, ang correct is downward. Then, to solve for the reaction BY, we take moment about A. So, moment left equals moment right. So, moment left of A is 0, then equal to the moment right of A due to BY, which is upward, the moment is positive, BY times L. And due to the moment, ang pipiliin natin is the far side. So, kung ang reference natin ay A, then yung far side ng moment M is this. And since directed downward yung far side, the moment is negative, M. Okay. So that BY is positive M over L. So positive meaning our assumption upward is correct. Next step is we draw the moment by parts. Say we choose A as our reference. So we draw the moment by parts at A. So ang magkakos ng moment at A ay dalawa. The reaction BY and the applied moment M. So, due to the reaction BY, concentrated force, so the moment by parts diagram is triangular, and the moment is M over L times L, or simply M. And the moment by parts due to the concentrated moment is, so ang moment natin ay clockwise, no? So, sa right side ng point of application, the direction is downward. And sa left side ng point of application ng moment is upward naman. So, sa pagdodrawing ng moment by parts, ang pipiliin natin is the far side. So, the far side. So, kung ang reference ay A, then ang far side is ito. And since the far side is downward, so the moment diagram is negative, no? So, pababa. And the diagram for the concentrated moment is actually rectangular, no? And the magnitude of the moment is M, then negative. The next, solve for the area. For the triangle, the area is 1/2. The base is L, the height is M, or simply ML over 2. And for the rectangle, M times A. Next, we solve for the parameters 6A over L and 6AB over L. So for the parameter AA, area times lever arm from left. So for the triangle, the area is ML over 2, and the distance of its centroid from left is 1/3 of L. So L over 3. And then the area of this rectangle is negative, then MA, and its lever arm from left, the distance of its centroid from left is 1/2 of A. Simplify, so factor out M over 6, then inside the parenthesis are L square minus 3A square. Isama natin i-factor out yung negative sign, so negative M over 6, then 3A square minus L square. So ito na yung ating AA. Then multiply the result by 6 divided by L. So the formula for 6A over L for a clockwise moment is negative M over L times 3A square minus L square. Next, we solve for the parameter AB. Area times lever arm from right. So for the triangle, the area is positive ML over 2, and its lever arm from right is 2/3 of L. Then for the rectangle, the area is negative MA, and its lever arm from right is B plus 1/2 of A. Okay, medyo magiging komplikado yung algebra dito kasi since ang parameter na hinahanap natin ay AB, so dapat lahat ng nasa right side ay in terms of B. So lahat ng A sa right side express natin in terms of B. So applying the relationship A plus B equals L, or A is equal to L minus B, i-substitute natin ito dito, then perform algebra. So medyo magiging complicated ng konti. So kung complicated ang algebra, then pwede natin gawin is mag-shift tayo ng reference for our moment by parts, no? So ang gawin natin is, since AB ang hinahanap, then gawin nating reference for moment by parts is point B. We draw the moment by parts at B. So ang nagkakos ng moment at B ay dalawa, no? The reaction at A and the concentrated moment. So due to the reaction at A, the diagram is downward, and the moment is ML times L, or simply M, the negative. And due to the concentrated moment, which is clockwise, so again, ang clockwise ay downward sa right side ng point of application ng moment, and upward naman sa left side ng point of application ng moment. And lagi natin pinipili is actually the far side, na. So kung tayo ay nagmo-moment at B, then the far side is upward. So the diagram due to the upward concentrated moment is rectangular, and the moment is M. Okay, so yan ay ating moment by parts at B. Then the areas for this rectangle, the area is M times B. And for the triangle, 1/2, the base is L, the height is M, or simply ML over 2. The parameter AB is equal to area times lever arm from right. So for the rectangle, the area is MB, and its lever arm from right is 1/2 of B. For the triangle, the area is negative ML over 2, and lever arm from right is 1/3 of L. And simplify, factor out M over 6. So inside the parenthesis, 3B square minus L square. Then multiply the result by 6 divided by L. So the formula for 6AB over L for a clockwise concentrated moment is M over L 3B square minus L square. Ito na yung summary ng formulas. So, ang example natin ay clockwise moment at ito yung na-derive nating formulas. So, kung halimbawang nabaligtad ang direction ng moment, so naging counterclockwise, then ang formula ay the same, pero mababaligtad lang ang sign. So, kung ito ay negative, then dito ay magiging positive, at kung dito naman ay positive, then ito naman ay magiging negative. So, pag nabaligtad yung direction ng load, mababaligtad lang ang signs